Ready? Roll camera. Speeding. And playback.
Hello, good morning, viewers. How are you today? News back to greet you. We have prepared a number of up-to-date and reliable information for you. With me, Feby Febrianti, and my colleagues.
Aisyah Lutfiana Nabila.
This is News.
Sexual harassment is form of crime that currently rife around us. This harassment case is not impossible to do in education, family, or even public sphere. The motive for this sexual harassment case is none other than a condition either from the environment or the individual himself. We have summarized several cases of sexual harassment that have occurred recently.
A case of sexual harassment has now occurred in one of the state universities, namely the Rio University, which was carried out by a lecturer to a student with the initial L while conducting thesis guidance. This time, the report will be submitted by our colleagues who are already at the Rio Regional Police Office to see the progress of handling the case.
Good morning, I'm Kuraton Salsabila. Currently, I'm right at the Riau Regional Police Office, which is in the process of handling a sexual experience by a student from the Indonesian Civil Society Institute with the initial L by a person at the University of Riau, whose initial SH was involved in a sexual video. In the campus environment on Thursday, he was named a suspect. The decision was made after the polls examined 18 witnesses. This case was in the spotlight after a 2018 student majoring in international relations, FISIP UNRI, spoke up about the action taken by her supervisor, SH. The action taken by L were revealed through a video and uploaded to social media, Instagram, on the Komahi account. The confession immediately received the spotlight of netizens. In the video, the victim recounts the action taken by the suspect against him. The incident started when L wanted to meet with SH to conduct thesis proposal guidance on Wednesday, October 27, 2021 at around 12:30 WIB. Then L did the thesis guidance in the Dean room of FISIP UNRI. There were only the victim and the suspect in the room. During the thesis guidance process, investigators often ask questions related to the victim's personality. Several times, the suspect also issues sentences that made the victim uncomfortable. After the thesis guidance ends, the victim must be avoided by the suspect. However, instead, he grabbed the victim's shoulder and the achievement to the student. Then the perpetrator grabbed the victim's head a second time. The suspect then kissed the victim's cheeks and forehead. The victim, who at the time claimed to have admitted to his network, bowed his head, but instead raised the victim's head and issues the sentence, "Where are the legs?" This action frightened the victim. Then the victim pushed the suspect body. After the incident, the victim was severely traumatized by the action taken by the lecturer. This does the coverage. Studio 6 greeting Renews.
Thank you, Kuraton, for reporting from the Rio Police.
The next case of harassment was carried out by a member of the Bribda Police, Randi Bagus, to his girlfriend, a student at Brawijaya University named Novia Widyasari. This case caused quite a stir on social media because the Novia was found dead beside his father's grave. In full, this news will be reported by our colleagues who are already at the residence of Novia parent.
Good morning, I'm Safina Baisrugnin. Currently, I'm right at the residence of the parent of the victim on the sexual violence case experienced by Novia Widyasari by her lover. who is a member of the Police Brigadier General Randi Bagus. Novia is a student of Universitas Brawijaya majoring in English. Novia depression over the relationship with Randi Bagus. Novia was twice forced to have an abortion by her boyfriend. Victim Novia took it with potassium and eventually died near her father's grave in Mojokerto, East Java on December 2, 2021. At the time, they had a clothing distribution launching event. From there, the two action phone number and for 3 years in the span of 2019 to 2021 after officially the two are known to have had a relationship like a husband and wife. According to the police, the relationship was carried out of a number of places such as Novia was pregnant up to 2 times. The victim was pregnant in March 2021 and August 2021 and aborted the pregnancy, explained the Deputy Chief of the East Java Police Brigadier General Slamet Hadi Supraptoyo during a press conference at the Mojokerto Police Headquarters. Bribda Randi himself is now in custody after undergoing an examination. Randi is being held at the East Java Police Detention Center previously. Novia Widyasari was desperate to live her life by drinking poison next to her father's grave on Thursday. The name of Bribda Randi Bagus later became a conversation in social media because it was said out to the cause of Novia Widyasari's suicide. Thus, the coverage was reported. I returned to Fabi and Nabila at Studio 6 greeting Renews.
Thank you, Safina, for reporting from the resident of Novia parents.
The last news of the current sexual harassment case experienced by 12 students from the Tahfiz Al-Ikhlas Islamic Boarding School in the Cibiru area of Bandung by a boarding school teacher named Heri Wirawan. This is a cover for the perpetrator who have been running for 5 years. The victims who were under 17 were forced multiple times, some even gave birth twice. In full, this news will be reported by our colleagues who are already at the scene.
Good morning, I am Trasta Sifa Zahra. I am currently at the scene of a sexual harassment case committed by a teacher at a pesantren located in Cibiru, Bandung. The case of a boarding school teacher in Cibiru, Bandung who raped a female student and gave birth to a child was widely discussed on Twitter social media. All the students who were victims of these teachers, the private were minors and were his students led by the perpetrator named Heri Wirawan, who is now a defendant. The case of a boarding school teacher in Cibiru, Bandung, who raped a dozen female students that caused still has now been tried in the Bandung District Court. The case of the sexual rapist Heri Wirawan is getting more and more attention. The reason is that a new fact was found that the number of victim female students who had been raped by a depraved teacher Heri Wirawan increased to 21 people. This fact proves that Heri Wirawan has committed the depraved act to the female students who are none other than these own students. Of the 21 victims, 11 of them are known to be female students who are residents of Garut district. The place for the boarding school is called the Tahfiz Al-Ikhlas Islamic Boarding School in the Cibiru area of Bandung. This is a cover for a perpetrators who have been running for 5 years. The victims who were under 17 were forced multiple times, some even gave birth twice. The perpetrator of the rape of 12 female who became pregnant and gave birth, Heri Wirawan, is suspect of misappropriating government aid funds to rent hotels and apartments to rape 12 of his female students. As Heri Wirawan admit that he carried out his led acts in various places such as the KS Foundation, MH Islamic Boarding School, TM Islamic Boarding School, TS Apartment, Hotel A, Hotel N, Hotel R, Hotel BB, Hotel PP, and even at the defendant's base camp. Thus, the coverage we report. I return to Feby and Nabila at Studio 6. Greetings, Renews.
Thank you, Tresta, for reporting from the scene of the incident.
This is our last report. I'm Aisyah Lutfiana Nabila,
And I am Feby Febrianti.
saying goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.